All right, here we're going to solve this system of equations. This one's already set up for us. It's pretty nice, okay? And what I mean by that is that it tells us what x is right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the x, which is negative 2y plus 5, and I'm going to take the other equation, okay? So I'm going to rewrite it just so I have a little bit more space, but it's 7x plus 5y equals 26. You'll notice that in doing this, I've given myself a lot of space between the 7x and the plus 5. That's because I'm replacing this x right now with the expression that x equals, which is negative 2y plus 5. And this is the equation that I'm solving. When I do this, when I finish solving it, I will have the y value, which then I can solve for the x value. So I got to distribute the 7. 7 times negative 2y, which would be negative 14y's. 7 times 5 is positive 35. I do better 3. And then plus 5y equals 26. So now I got to combine my like terms. Negative 14y's and 5y's would be negative 9y's. Still drop the positive 35 there, and this still equals 26. But a new principle of equality here to get rid of the 35, so minus 35 from both sides. Drop the negative 9y, and this now equals negative 9. Last of all, we'll divide both sides by negative 9, which will make the coefficient of y a phantom 1. Y equals 1. Negative 9 divided by negative 9 is actually 1, and we have just found the y value there, right? So I found the y value. It is 1. So now I'm going to go back to the second equation there, or the first equation rather, which is x equals negative 2y plus 5. And I'm going to replace the y value with the y value that we found, which is 1, and that's also a pretty easy number to work with, right? So I just plug this into the calculator. It will tell me that x equals 3. So I now have the ordered pair 3, 1. That confirms the top equation. I still need to confirm the bottom equation though, right? So I'm going to go to 7x plus 5y needs to equal 26. It needs to equal 26 if it is actually the solution. And so I'm going to replace the two values we have. The x is 3, and the y value is 1. Okay, so is this true? So question mark over the equal sign. So I don't know if it's true, but I see 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 1 is positive 5. Will this actually equal 26? Well, it does. 21 plus 25 is 26, which, for now at least, equals 26. That's a true statement. And so we get a true statement. And now we know for sure that we have actually found the solution. It made both equations true, which means they intersect. If we were to graph them, they would intersect at the ordered pair 3, 1.